Jungkook and Jimin went live on Weverse yesterday and they were talking about V. It went on for more than 1.5 hours. So syempre napanood to ni V and narinig niya yung mga sinasabi sa kanya kaya hindi siya pumayag. Pagkatapos ng live nila, siya naman ang nag-live at sinagot niya lahat ng mga akusasyon nila. Sinabi niya ang totoo at kung ano ang mga nangyari. At syempre pagkatapos ng live ni V, agad-agad nag-live si Jungkook mag-isa. Wala na si Jimin. Nagsorry siya sa mga tao at kay V at wala daw katotohanan ang mga pinagsasabi nila ni Jimin. Charot lang, hindi yan ang nangyari. So, Jungkook and Jimin went live on Weverse yesterday for more than 1.5 hours. And they did talk a little bit about Taehyung and how Jungkook and Taehyung work out all the time together. Galing na kay Jimin mismo yon. And after the super long live kung saan napag-usapan na ata nila ang lahat-lahat, V went on his own live for 14 minutes. And typical of V's live, he listened to music, answered some questions, and then abruptly ended his live. And almost as soon as after he ended his live, Jungkook went live alone. At first, sinabi niya na aksidente lang daw siyang nag-log in, dapat daw maglalaro siya ng game and gusto na daw niyang matulog. Pero in typical JK fashion, tumagal ang live na to kung saan kinantahan niya lang tayo ng kinantahan. Feeling ko na-miss niya to. And that's what happened in their lives yesterday.